Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40, and I'll show you how to customize wall and panels on this device. So first you need to get this application Wall Styles from the Play Store, and then just go to the application. Now here on the right upper corner tap to start. Okay, tap to the switcher, and here you'll see the volume style that's off. Just tap here to activate it and confirm. Just tap to OK, and now as can you see here, click yes, I agree. Now you can see and choose between different wall and panel styles. For example, we can try the iOS one, and now as can you see our wall and panel is really similar to the iPhone wall and panel. Also we can choose another one, for example these waves, and we will try now. So as can you see, that's really work. If we want to just to turn it off, to change to the current regular wall and panel, just tap here to the stop, and as can you see. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.